We are pleased to show you 2021 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist. Inside you'll find driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, child safety locks, multifunction display, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2 cargo area light. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.